I love flowers for the amazing array of colours and shapes and fragrances that they have. Scientifically, being pretty also helps flowers to attract pollinators like bees and butterflies and even birds. Plants also need water to survive, which they use for both nutrition and to cool down when it's really hot. In the Kitchen Science Cookbook, we show you how to track this process, which is scientifically known as transpiration, by taking a cut flower and placing the stem in some water with some food colouring. This coloured pigment makes it easy for us to see how the water is drawn all the way up through the stem of the plant and through into the leaves and even the petals. One of the great benefits of plants is their ability to absorb carbon dioxide and produce oxygen through a process called photosynthesis. They do this through tiny holes in the leaves called stomata. These holes are also where the water inside the plant evaporates from. You can track which part of the stem connects to which part of the flower by carefully cutting the stem with a sharp knife and by placing each segment into 2 glasses that have different food colouring in them. Like that. The result is not only a great science lesson in transpiration, but also a unique personalised science gift that you can give to somebody that you know.